This simple oversight turned a $1 million retirement portfolio into just $300,000 in a mere 5 years. This is not financial advice, but it's crucial to understand the sequence of returns risk that can destroy your retirement. And what I'm about to show you will change how you think about retirement planning forever. As we navigate the complex world of retirement planning in 2026, it's essential to be aware of the sequence of returns risk. With the recent Tesla stock surge and the Microsoft stock surge, many investors are optimistic about their portfolios. However, understanding sequence risk can make all the difference in securing a comfortable retirement. Let's dive in and explore this critical concept. So, what exactly is sequence of returns risk? Simply put, it's the risk that the order of investment returns will have a significant impact on the final value of your retirement portfolio. For example, if you experience a downturn in the market early in your retirement, it can have a lasting impact on your savings. But here's the part nobody talks about: how to mitigate this risk and ensure a secure retirement. Let's look at some real data to illustrate the impact of sequence risk. According to a study by Source, a portfolio that experiences a 20% decline in the first year of retirement can result in a 30% lower income stream over the next 25 years. On the other hand, a portfolio that experiences a 20% decline in the 10th year of retirement may only result in a 5% lower income stream. As you can see, the sequence of returns risk is a critical consideration for retirement planning. So, what can you do to mitigate sequence of returns risk? First, it's essential to diversify your portfolio to minimize exposure to any one particular asset class. Second, consider working with a financial advisor to create a personalized retirement plan that takes into account your unique situation and goals. And third, be prepared to adjust your plan as market conditions change. Remember, this is not financial advice, but rather educational information to help you make informed decisions about your retirement planning. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about securing your retirement, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. In our next video, we'll be exploring the top retirement investing strategies for 2026, including how to take advantage of the recent Apple stock surge and the Amazon stock crash. We'll dive into the details of how to create a tax-efficient retirement portfolio, and I'll share some exclusive tips on how to maximize your retirement income.